Hi. Did you know that the average person spends about $194 each year on physical business cards? Why pay that much for something that can easily be lost, torn, and has a short lifespan? Save your money and get a digital business card instead. Why? It's super easy to share. It lets people call or email you with the touch of a button, and it makes it easy for customers to leave a review. Still not convinced? Digital business cards help you stand out, make a great first impression, and are eco-friendly. You can share them as many times as you want. Plus, you don't have to print out new cards each time your contact details change. You can easily update them in real time. How to use your digital business card? You have two options. The first one is to show the QR code to your customers. Let them scan it with their phone and save it on their device. The second option is to click the Share button and send it to anyone on your contact list. You can use SMS, email, or any messaging app like WhatsApp, Messenger, Instagram, or Viber. Got questions? Call us at 866-391-0622.